Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Go English Channel, the place where learning English is simple, relaxing, and fun. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. It is awesome to be here today. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, David. Thanks for asking. How are things with you?
Honestly, I am actually really hungry, Emma.
Hungry already? We just started.
I know, but I can't stop thinking about lunch. I want a lot of food. A giant cheeseburger, maybe some onion rings, and a cold soda. That sounds perfect.
Wow, David, that actually sounds amazing. Great, now you are making me hungry too.
Sorry about that, but this is actually a really good idea for our podcast topic today.
You are absolutely right. That is a perfect idea. Let's talk about food. Specifically, let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, going to a restaurant and ordering in English. It can be a little scary for beginners, but it's actually quite easy.
Exactly. It is one of the best ways to practice real-life English. So today, we are going to learn how to have a conversation at a restaurant.
I love this topic, but before we start learning, everyone please remember to subscribe to Go English Channel.
Yes, and please hit the like button on this video if you are hungry like David. And share it with your friends who want to learn English. It really supports us.
It helps a lot. Thanks, guys. Okay, Emma, imagine the scene. I am at the restaurant. I am standing at the front door. What do I do first?
Good question. First, you open the door and walk in. You will see a person working there. This is the host or the waiter. You just smile and say hello or hi.
Hello. Okay, that's easy enough. I can handle that.
I'm sure you can. Next, you need a place to sit. So you need to ask for a table. You can say, a table for two, please.
Okay, a table for two, please. That is if I'm with you, right?
Exactly. If you have another friend with you, you would say, a table for three, please.
I get it. So a table for, and then you just say the number of people.
That's right. Very simple. If you are alone, you say, a table for one, please.
Got it. Hello, a table for one, please. And then what does the waiter say?
The waiter will usually smile and say, right this way, or follow me, please.
And then I walk behind him to my table.
Yes, you sit down. Now, David, what is the very first thing you need when you sit down?
The burger?
Not yet. You need to know what to order. You need the menu.
Oh, right, the menu, to look at the options and choose my lunch.
Correct. Usually, the waiter gives it to you, but if they forget, you have to ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu politely in English?
You can simply say, could I have the menu, please?
Could I have the menu, please? That sounds very polite.
It is. Remember, using please is super important in English, especially in restaurants and service places. It makes you sound friendly.
Okay, so I have the menu. I open it up. I see a lot of different sections. Starters, mains, desserts, drinks.
You know your food vocabulary, David. Yes, starters are the small plates you eat at the beginning, like a soup or garlic bread.
Soup. I'm a big fan of soup. Chicken noodle soup is my favorite.
Me too. Okay, so after the starters, you look at the main courses.
The main course. That's the big meal, right? The primary dish.
Yes, exactly. That's your steak, your pasta, your fish, or your cheeseburger.
My cheeseburger. And what exactly is dessert?
Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end of the meal, like chocolate cake, ice cream, or apple pie.
I never skip dessert. Cheesecake is the best thing in the world.
Ooh, cheesecake is a very good choice. And finally, you have the drinks section.
Drinks are things like soda, juice, water, or maybe iced tea.
Perfect. You are an expert, David.
I am learning fast. Okay, so the waiter comes back to my table. He's holding a notepad. He looks at me. What does he ask?
He will probably ask, "Are you ready to order?"
Are you ready to order? And I can just answer, yes, I am.
Yes. Or you can say, "Yes, please." Or, if you are still deciding, you can say, "Can I have a minute, please?"
That is a great phrase. Can I have a minute, please? But since I'm starving, I'm definitely ready. So I say, yes, I am.
Great. Now comes the fun part. Ordering your food. How do you say it?
Do I just say, I want the burger?
I want is grammatically correct, but it can sound a little rude or demanding. A much better way is to say, "I would like," or the contraction, "I'd like."
I would like. That sounds much nicer. So I say, I would like the cheeseburger, please.
That is perfect English. The waiter will be very happy with that.
Okay, I would like the cheeseburger. Is there another way to say it? Earlier, you said something else.
Yes, you can also say, "I'll have." It stands for, "I will have." It's very common.
So I can say, I'll have the cheeseburger, please?
Exactly. "I'll have the cheeseburger." It sounds very natural and casual.
Okay, let's practice this. You be the waiter.
Okay. Hello there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken soup to start, please.
Okay, the chicken soup. And for your main course.
I'll have the cheeseburger, please.
Great choice. And would you like anything to drink with that?
Oh, right, the drink. I almost forgot. Uh, I use the same phrase?
Yes. "I would like," or "I'll have."
Okay, I'll have a cola, please.
Perfect. So that's one chicken soup, one cheeseburger, and a cola. The waiter will usually repeat it back to you.
Just to check they heard it correctly.
Yes, exactly. And you just nod and say, "Yes, that's right. Thank you."
Thank you. I feel like I'm saying thank you a lot.
You can never say thank you too much. So you order and then you wait. You relax and chat.
And then the food arrives, the best moment of the day.
It is. The waiter puts the food down and says, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal. And I answer,
You say, "Thank you."
okay, so now the food is here. My burger looks amazing.
And it smells delicious.
While I'm eating, maybe the waiter comes back.
Yes, often they come back to check on you. They ask, "Is everything okay?" Or, "How is the food?"
And if it's yummy, I say,
You say, "Yes, it's delicious." Or, "Everything's great, thank you."
delicious. I like that word. Delicious.
Yes, it means very, very tasty, just like your burger.
My burger is totally delicious. But Emma, what if I need something else? Like, I drank all my soda.
Good question. You need to get the waiter's attention. You look for them, and when they're close, you say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. Okay. And then?
Then you ask politely, "Could I have another soda, please?"
Could I have another soda, please? Or maybe, could I have some napkins, please?
Yes. Or, "Could I have some water, please?"
Very useful phrases, simple and polite.
That's the key. "Please" and "could I have" make everything smoother.
Okay. I finished my burger. I'm full. I'm happy.
Me too. But wait, what about dessert?
Oh, the cheesecake. I almost forgot.
The waiter will clear the table and ask, Would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I shout, "Yes, please!" Haha.
Maybe a little quieter, just yes, please.
So I look at the list. I see the cheesecake. The waiter returns. I say,
I'd like the cheesecake, please.
"I'd like the cheesecake, please." You are a great teacher, Emma.
It's easy when you break it down. So, you eat your cake. It is amazing. Now you are truly full.
Sadly, the meal is over. Now I have to pay money.
The bill, or the check.
So I call the waiter over again. "Excuse me."
Right. And you say, could I have the bill, please? Or, could I have the check, please?
Bill or check? Is there a difference?
Not really. Bill is more common in the UK and check is more common in the USA, but everyone understands both words.
Okay. The check, please. Sounds fine.
The waiter brings the paper with the price.
And I can use cash or a card.
Yes, you can ask, do you take credit cards? Just to be sure.
Do you take credit cards? Good tip. And when I hand it to him, I say, "Here you are."
Here you are. Very natural. They process the payment and bring it back.
And that's it? I can leave?
Yes, you stand up, and as you walk out, you smile at the staff and say, thank you, goodbye.
A nice ending. Thank you. Goodbye.
It leaves a good impression.
Okay, Emma. Let's do a quick role-play review. I'm the customer. You're the waiter. Let's do the whole thing fast.
Let's do it. I love role plays. Good evening, sir. Welcome.
Hi. A table for one, please.
Right this way. Here is your menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'll have the chicken soup and the cheeseburger, please.
Excellent. And to drink?
I'll have a cola, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
This is delicious. Could I have the check, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Wow, that was the whole experience. It felt very easy.
It is simple. Just remember the key phrases. Table for, I'd like, could I have, and the check, please.
And lots of please and thank you.
Exactly. Being polite is the secret to good service.
I feel totally ready to go eat now. I'm going to order in English next time.
I know you can do it, David, and everyone watching can do it too. Start with something easy.
Like pizza or tacos.
Yes, keep it simple and just smile. It works in any language.
A smile and a please. That's my plan.
It's a perfect plan. So, David, before we go, what is your absolute favorite food to order?
Ooh, that is a hard question. I love the burger, but honestly, I really love tacos. Spicy beef tacos.
Ah, tacos are amazing. I love Mexican food.
What about you, Emma? What's your favorite?
I think lasagna. A hot, cheesy lasagna. It is my favorite comfort food.
Oh, man, lasagna is incredible. Great, now I want tacos and lasagna.
We are always hungry on this show.
It's true. Well, I hope this conversation was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Practice is everything. Try practicing at home with a friend.
One person is the waiter, one person is the hungry customer, just like us.
Exactly. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just try. People are usually very nice.
That's great advice. Just speak.
Well, that's all we have time for today. Thank you so much for listening to Go English Channel.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope you feel ready to go to a restaurant and speak English with confidence.
Don't forget to subscribe to Go English Channel so you don't miss our next lesson.
And share this video with your study buddies.
And for the comment of the day, Tell us below, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Yes, I want to read the comments. Is it sushi, steak, or maybe lasagna like Emma?
We can't wait to read your answers. Thank you again for joining us.
Until next time, keep practicing.
And keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.